Today we're back with some new Tesla Model 3 floor mats. Special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send us these premium car floor mats. They also come with a nice cleaning cloth and stickers that have a spot to go on the mat if you want these stickers on them. This is what all the mats look like. This is of course just the driver's side, but each one's fitted for the correct part of the car, whether it's the front, the trunk, back seat, or passenger seat. Nice thick rubber, has a nice good grip in it, and should pop right into place. Let me show you what they look like in the car. So, able to take them, and they easily slide right up into place where they should be, just like so. So that is the driver's side. This one is the passenger side. Very nice fit along the bottoms. Love the feel. The back seat also designed so that everything fits perfectly in its place like it should. And then there's a trunk mat here. Completely protects your trunk. Also underneath the mat for down here. And then this liner here protects your front. And that'll essentially do it for these Tesla Model 3 floor mats. Thanks again to the company who was nice enough to send them to me to demonstrate for you. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.